first top-level meeting after nearly 2 years with the key opposition party leaders have gathered in the national capital at the Constitution Club, where this meeting will shortly be underway. And this meeting that is taking place in New Delhi, where the Congress party says over 20 political parties, 23 of them to be exact, are being represented. So senior leaders, including Supriya Sule, Akhilesh Yadav, already having arrived in the national capital for discussions, which comes amid visible differences amid the ongoing tensions with the opposition alliance. What is to be intended to project as a unity, but instead is being viewed as a crucial test for the bloc as it attempts to iron out internal disputes and present a coordinated political front. Sonia Gandhi from the Congress also expected to attend this meeting, and the meeting is expected to start shortly, following what has now been said that there would be a joint press briefing that is scheduled for around 2 p.m. this afternoon. So this seems at a time where top leaders there you can see Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Omar Abdullah, also arriving, driving his own car. We are looking at Derek O'Brien inside there, Mamata Banerjee, the former Chief Minister, Supriya Sule. We're also looking at the leaders who are expected not to participate in this meeting already having said no, and the differences that have now been arrived. But as far as problem for Mamata Banerjee-led party, that continues the turmoil that continues within the party. So it is now official, what has now been said, that the TMC Rajya Sabha MP Shukhender Shekhar Roy has resigned from the post and from the party as well. Also resigning from the primary membership of the Trinamool Congress, and he seems to have mailed the resignation letter to the TMC Supremo Mamata Banerjee. So one of the first and the biggest setback now this is coming in for Mamata Banerjee, as it seems that the MLAs are deserting her, but it seems so are the MPs. And this is coming across as a big development. As far as TMC MP Shukhender Shekhar Roy has now quit, not just from the position there as a parliamentarian, but also from the primary membership of the party. We'll see exactly what reasons that is being cited, because as far as Mamata Banerjee is concerned, she's already in the national capital to participate in this meeting of the opposition alliance. Let's connect with Ridhita on this. Ridhita, it is official now. Shukhender Roy now quitting the party. The reasons that have been cited, he's only not stepped down from his post, but also given up the primary membership.
Absolutely. If you note the numbers of MPs that Trinamool Congress were holding were 28, and already there were talks that the rebel gang can now encash MPs from there also. After the legislative split, the party split, we can also notice that the MPs of the parliamentary wing can have a split and the rebel gang would need 19. But today early morning, the sources that tells Times Now that there were 2 MPs likely who had scheduled their appointment with the Rajya Sabha chairman at around 11 a.m. in the morning, and there was
I believe we have accessed the resignation letter. Exactly what are the reasons that he has cited for stepping down? Yes, Agrika.
This is an explosive letter, and this is Times Now's access Shukhender Shekhar Roy's letter, first here on Times Now, and this is the charges made in this letter absolutely explosive. So just think of the scenes that are playing out. On one hand, Mamata Banerjee, Abhishek Banerjee are attending the INDIA block meeting in the national capital at the Constitution Club, and as that meeting gets underway, we've accessed this explosive letter of Trinamool Congress's Rajya Sabha MP, Mr. Shukhender Shekhar Roy, who has accused the Trinamool Congress of corruption, atrocities committed against women, abysmal failure in the field of health, education, industry, law and order, employment. Meanwhile, the newly elected People's Government has started taking initiatives for overall development and reconstruction of West Bengal as part of his election manifesto. This is what Shukhender Shekhar Roy is telling about the new dispensation currently. In respectful acceptance of this historic verdict of the people, I have resigned from the Rajya Sabha as a member and also from the primary membership of the All India Trinamool Congress. So this is the letter, a one-page letter written by TMC MP. We also have information that not just one MP, there could be another MP from the Trinamool Congress who could submit their resignation today. So the mutiny that started with the assembly has now reached the parliament. On a day when Mamata Banerjee is in the capital, on a day when both Mamata Banerjee and Abhishek Banerjee are attending the India block meeting. The letter accessed here on Times Now.
That's the first letter that has been accessed by Times Now, and explosive as far as Ridhita, the reasoning that has now been given by Shukhender Roy. We have Sabyasachi also joining us, Rajesh and Kritika as well, and Nyamika also joining us here on the broadcast. But Ridhita, there were, as far as rumors are concerned, and that seems to be that if Shukhender Roy has resigned, there are likely more to follow.
Well, Well, absolutely. I was telling you that today 2 MPs, they had their scheduled appointment with the Rajya Sabha chairperson and they were supposed to resign at around 11 a.m. This meeting has happened and there is a likely possibility along with Shukhendu Shekhar Roy, there can be another newly elected MP just before the elections who may also step down. She's also citing the same reasons. Also remember that the accusation that Shukhendu Shekhar Roy has put up towards the party is not for the first time. Earlier also the MP Kakuli Gojosida has cited the same reasons that due to the corruptions, atrocities against women and a lot more cases like this that they are stepping down because of the dignity that the party has lost. Therefore, the leaders are not being able to find themselves in the space where they had joined. The foundation of the party is breaking and therefore for this very reason only we had seen Mamata Banerjee reaching last evening to have a word with all the MPs so that there is no split in the parliamentary wing of the party. But it seems like just like the MLAs, even the MPs now refuse to listen to her. There is already a breakaway in the parliamentary wing of the parties. The MPs are splitting way at the time when Shukhendu Shekhar Roy has not only resigned from the position of being an MP but also resigned from the party in itself. Now the lookout is if the other MP also resigns and how many MPs will now change their fraction in the Trinamool Congress gang, because remember that already 61 of MLAs have gone ahead in the new fraction headed by Ritobroto, and now the total number of MPs that the party had was 28 after Shukhendu Shekhar Roy resigning. It's 27.
Yes.
Now the rebel gang, if there is a fraction divide again, then the rebel gang will...
Rajesh, if you can come down to the numbers and help us understand, as far as for the TMC, how does it currently stand in the parliament now with the resignation of a Rajya Sabha parliamentarian? Rajesh, can you hear me? All right, this seems to be playing out for the TMC as far as the number game here is concerned, because this is where it will get interesting. If Nyamika is also with us, we can get that update from Nyamika as well. Mamata Banerjee also now making her way in. There we have already seen the posters that have been put up mocking as far as the positioning of the Congress party here is concerned. But let's not talk about the Congress here, because this seems to be Mamata Banerjee's problems. Nyamika, that seems to be mounting. Can any reporter hear me? Ridhita, if you can take that question, how are you looking at for the TMC number-wise?
Well, the number that I was telling you about, that now already the number of MPs that the Trinamool Congress had was 28 in total, but after Shukhendu Shekhar Roy resigning, it is 27. Now the rebel gang, if there is a divide in the fraction, then the rebel gang will need 19 MPs to prove their numbers in the house, in the floor of the house, and that can be encashment for the Ritobroto gang. However, for the legislative party, we already see that they have proved their majority for the floor of the house. It is already 61 that is numbering out of the 80. It is the wait of time now that today how many MPs actually resign and how many makes their move, because Trinamool Congress surely seems to have been losing their game, especially the bank that has been led by Mamata Banerjee that is now losing its grip, because many MPs are already in touch with the rebel gang. So there can be chances that this such MPs like
Rajesh, as far as this letter that has been accessed exclusively and first here on Times Now, just going through the very details, because as far as being a member of the Rajya Sabha, Shukhendu Shekhar Roy says that it was for the first time in history of the state to put an end to the 15-year-old anarchical rule of the Trinamool Congress. Then he's been associated with the Trinamool Congress. Now he's finding the party to be at fault, abysmal failure in health, education, industry, law and order, crimes committed against women, and also unbridled corruption.
Well, Shukhendu Shekhar Roy, TMC Rajya Sabha MP, was rebel before, during the time of RG Kar incident. Also, we have seen our Rajya Sabha MP Shukhendu Shekhar Roy spoke very explosively against Trinamool Congress after the RG Kar rape and murder incident happened 2 years back. At that time, also Shukhendu Shekhar Roy spoke against his own party, Trinamool Congress, and following which he was not following which he was not vocal for so long time, and Shukhendra Shekhar Roy again became rebel, this time after the defeat of Trinamool Congress in West Bengal Assembly election. And Shukhendra Shekhar Roy, that was a buzz in the market that he is going to resign because he is continuously speaking against his own party, Trinamool Congress, and since long time the party supremo Mamata Banerjee and TMC General Secretary Abhishek Banerjee has no contact with Shukhendra Shekhar Roy, and on behalf of the party it was communicated that they are not in the touch with Shukhendra Shekhar Roy since long time, since Shukhendra Shekhar Roy had spoken against the party during the Arjikar incident last year. And now we are seeing another chapter in the Trinamool Congress, that he has already resigned from the post of Rajya Sabha MP today. He has already tendered his resignation to the speaker, to the chairman of Rajya Sabha, and he is also quitting his party, Trinamool Congress.
Yes.